Hello everyone, this is Dheeraj. Today I am going to say the story of Cinderella. Once upon a time, there is a rich husband with his sick wife. They have only one daughter named as Cinderella. The wife understood that she was in her last days and called her daughter Cinderella and said to be good to everyone. After a few days, she was dead, and the father married another widow because the Cinderella needs care when since he is going out for work due to his business. But the stepmother is very cruel, and the step two sisters are very unkind to her. The cooking, washing of dishes, sweeping, and all the house chores are made by the Cinderella through the stepmother. They were very cruel and would blame her. But on one day, there is a big party is given by the king of that king of that country, and he said that all the girls should attend because the prince will choose the princess for her future. Uh, all the all the young people or all the young women are preparing for that big party, and the Cinderella also want to go there, but the stepmother refused it. When the mother and her two sisters went to started to the party, she remembered that there is a marriage gown of her mother, but it was totally torn. Then she was crying by sitting on the stairs. Then an fairy appeared and changed her dress to a beautiful gown, and made the pumpkin to a carriage, and made the Cinderella friends, which are mice, as horses, and the bird as the coachman, and said that her magic would only last for the midnight. She started to the party, and when she entered the party, nobody can recognize her as the Cinderella, and all eyes were on the Cinderella since she was very beautiful. The prince is only dancing with the Cinderella for many hours. Then she remembered that the fairy said that the magic will last only for the midnight. Then she suddenly started out, but on the stairs, she was slipped with her glass shoes, and she does not want to go back because the prince is chasing her. When she entered the carriage and went some distance, it again the magic was disappeared, and she went to her house in a shortcut. But the prince want to make the person who is wearing the glass shoes as the princess. So prince with the soldiers with that shoe went to the every house to check who is the princess. They finally reached the Cinderella's house, but the stepmother locked the Cinderella so that if there is a perfectly fit for the Cinderella, the prince may marry the Cinderella in the attic. The stepsisters wouldn't fit the shoe perfectly, but when the prince got doubt that someone is speaking or singing in that house, he set the soldiers to check the total house. Then, in a closed room, a soldier found a girl who is Cinderella. Then the prince went there and said to make her leg to be in the shoe. It was fit perfectly, and prince took her with with him to the castle in the horse. On the horse. When they reached the castle, the prince introduced everyone as a new princess, and called Cinderella's father for their wedding, and they married forever, and they married and live perfectly and happily forever.